In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're coordinating with colleagues on a project, organizing a team meeting, or just needing a space to collaborate efficiently, creating a group in Microsoft Teams is a fantastic way to ensure seamless communication. So let's dive right in and see just how easy it is to get started. First things first, you'll need to open up Microsoft Teams. Once you're in, head over to the chat section. This is your main hub for all things messaging and where you'll kick off creating your group. Once you're there, look for the new message button, usually represented by a small icon or button at the top of your chat list. Click on it to start a new conversation. Now you'll see a field labeled To. This is where you'll add the people you want to include in your group conversation. You can start typing the names of your colleagues or teammates, and Microsoft Teams will suggest matches from your organization's directory. Select each person you want to add, ensuring you've included everyone necessary for your group chat. With your participants added, it's time to type your first message. This could be a simple hello or a more detailed update. For this example, I'll send a short project update message. It's always a good idea to start with a message that clearly sets the tone or purpose of your group chat so everyone is on the same page from the get-go. Once you've crafted your message, go ahead and hit send. As soon as you do, Microsoft Teams will automatically create the group chat for you. It's that simple. You now have a dedicated space where you can continue collaborating, sharing updates, and communicating with multiple people in one conversation. This makes it incredibly easy to keep everyone informed and engaged without the hassle of juggling multiple individual chats. And there you have it. Creating a group in Microsoft Teams is straightforward and quick, allowing you to focus more on the conversation and less on the logistics. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now ready to create your own groups with confidence. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy collaborating.